Hi guys, in front of this VIVO X90 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you need to open your phone dealer. Once you're not in keypad, you just have to open the keyboard. And now let's enter the first code, which is *pound or £6. And as you can see, this one will show you device info. So if you need to read email number and the second email number, main number, or maybe serial number, smoothly enter this code and get the knowledge right after you enter the code. So you don't have to go through all the settings and then look for all the numbers. Then tap on OK to exit. And that would be all for this first code, truly important one. The second one that I want to show you is *pound, *pound, 4 to 6, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. And if you'll tap on more icon, you can click on advanced view to see a bit more. So that's it. Let me go back. And the last code that I want to share with you today is *pound, *pound, 225, pound asterisk, pound asterisk. And here you've got the version test, so you can see product name, software build version, preload version, also serial number, secure boot, and so on. Just scroll all the way down and look for the info that you are curious about. So that's it, and actually that would be all I wanted to show you today. Enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.